How to log into Venmo account. If you have already created Venmo account and now you want to log into it, then this video is for you. First of all, simply go through the Venmo application and make sure that you have updated your application. Now, if you have not created account, then simply hit on the create new account and you will be proceed to create account on Venmo. But you have already created your account and now you want to log into your account, then simply hit on sign in with seed phrase or import from cloud. Now, here you have to enter your seed phrase. Simply go through the 1 to the 12 and then on the top you will see paste option also. Once you fill out the 12, simply hit on the confirm and then you are good to go. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.